You ever had that moment where you've been protective styling for so long and you don't no longer want a protective style, but you don't want to damage your hair, but you also are tired of the style that you're doing? That's where I am. And I want this old hairstyle back, but I don't want to go through that hassle and I don't want to have my hair out. So, let's see what we can do. So I basically just took the old wig after washing it and all that stuff, and I basically took a pair of scissors and sliced it right down the middle. Like I cut it between the two bundles. So now I have two pieces, a bottom track and a top track. We're still gonna work with it equally, but let's first see what we're gonna do with this one. So I purchased a bag of wig combs from Amazon, and they come like this, really cute, really nice or whatever. They're just regular wig combs. They're not as stable, but all wig combs aren't really stable. So I'm gonna move that to the side, and I'm going to use my first bottom track. It kind of looks messy on the inside, but it was a wig, remind you. I'm going to place these little wig combs over on the places that I want to place them, okay? And then we're gonna sew them down. Mr. Mali on deck, bring the flow with a hook like boat type for neck. Everyone will go, we leave a war wreck. And the rap go, they put them rap pass for check. Kill the beat as we go down. And in case you don't know, you go know now. Hey, Ofeshelu, Ayakata. While we on the beat, you know who's scatter. Them if you know now, I'm the king, me the ground, me or tumba. Hey, we the best now. So and this is the end product. I have 4 combs, 3 on top, 1 on the bottom, and I'm just going to go ahead and with a pair of scissors and clean up any of the loose dome cap or spandex cap or whatever wig cap you use to make the wig in the first place. And we're just going to clip that away, just make it look a little bit neater, just in case I'm doing any hairstyles where you can like see the track or something like that. I doubt it, but yeah. I'm going to do the same exact thing for the top layer, the one with the color. I'm going to use 3 wig combs, place them where I deem fit, and then sew. So now to my actual natural hair. It was in a ponytail underneath my lace front wig. I'm going to use this coconut oil weightless hydrating oil mist. It by Organics. It's kind of drying, but it does feel really smooth and silky when I'm taking out my braids. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my hair. Mr. Mali on deck, we dream from the body cause we don't know. I keep in the couple when we roll. Because my hair was under a protective style, I'm going to spritz it with some water, and then I'm going to use my favorite Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in moisturizer. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my hair just to soften it up a bit, and then we're going to get to styling. My hair is not long, but it's like, you know, that stage 3, okay? So I can put it up in a very okay ponytail with my lack of upper body strength with little to no assistance. So that's definitely an improvement for me. If you know me, I'm weak when it comes to this. I'm gonna tie the little bobo thing about 3 times, one of those ouchless scrunchies. It wasn't tight. I just want to make sure it was secure. I'm not gonna even keep that bun in. I'm actually gonna take the bun out, and we're gonna work from there. After fluffing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and actually put the hair away a bit so it's out of the way when I start to insert the clip-ins or comb-ins or whatever you want to call them. So to install them, I'm legit just going to go ahead and put it to where I deem fit and slide those bad boys in. I prefer combs to clips because clips really hurt, and my hair is very, very, very thick. So sometimes the clips be clipping on them 1, 2, 3 strands and it's not secure and it just hurts, okay? But combs don't hurt. Well, they don't hurt me if you put them in the correct way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it around like a circle and just slide them in and make sure they're secure. After installing the, I guess it's a track, I just take out my hair and fluff. You don't even have to use your own hair. You can legit, if the circle at the top is tight enough, or if you fluff it enough, you won't even see the center. I tried it. So yeah, that's basically it. On a school day, this is very beneficial. Okay. Yeah. So let's keep going. So this is the end result with just one bundle or one bottom track. I guess it's not even really a bundle. It wasn't enough for me. Ooh, look at the back. Ooh, yes. But I went ahead and tried some different styles. You can put it in a bun. You can add the other hair, the other top hair that I had before. I made a little bang or whatever. I thought it was cute. But it wasn't enough for me. I went ahead and I added both bundles to my puff, and this was the end result.
Bust up the block and then we set it on fire. When we rolling, that them we ain't stopping.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely did enjoy it. The sun is out and this way is reflecting on my skin. I mean, like I'm enjoying myself today studying. Yeah. Anywho, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Have you basically reconstructed a wig like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times? Because I have, and I'm enjoying this. This is like the first purchase of HerGivenHair that I did with my own hard-earned money, and I bought this about 3 years ago, and I'm still doing what it does. I did damage the hair, but that's just because of my carelessness, not because of the company. I don't really know. I know they definitely have improved since I bought them 2 years ago. Oh yeah, I bought it for my 21st birthday, and I'm about to turn 23 this year, so 2 years ago? Yeah, no, 2. Just hit up my Instagram. That's where I usually post pictures, or my Snap, because I usually post there almost every day when I'm not swarming in work. Yeah. Happy New Year, guys. Can we still say? I think we can still say that. It's my first-ish video of the year, so Happy New Year. Hopefully you're on the track for success, because we winning out here. All right. Bye.
Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́kù. Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́lú. Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́kù. Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́lú. Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́bù. Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́lú. Ayakata, o fẹ́ ṣẹ́bù. Ayakata.
Yumba, no slacking, now who confess? She be a yaki, you the pump chest. Only murder, only world best. Them the form street boy niggas.